Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I need to put about x equals to 4 sine t, because if I put this one go in here, we will have about 16 sine t square. Number 16, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify by ds. ds we have 4 cosine t dt. So I will put this one go in here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 16 sine t square. Number 16, we can do about factorization. One minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. We simplify on numerator and denominator. So we put number 4 outside. And this one we change secant of t. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. And we put about c. About t in here. That is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 4. And we got about t equal to r sine of s over 4. So we need to change this one for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.